Curdy Bob's Tractor Repair.
Got the 4850 here. Have tore it down farther yet. Have the clutch, well, you call it a clutch housing. Got that off here in order to get to, which we have right here, the power shift unit itself with all the clutch packs. But we found where all the pieces are coming from. And as you can see, on this gear right here, you can see the teeth missing and the gouges in there. But the bad part about it is down inside there, the gear that it rides on. I don't know if I can get this to show up or not. There it is. Way down there on the edges, all the teeth missing. That's not good, because as you know, that comes around to this side, down to the pinion shaft. So that means the differential's coming out of it. The axles are going to have to come off in order to get that out.